So the first thing you have to do is to have the idea of the image you want to create. After that, head on to your Play Store and search for AI Greem like this. So you are going to download this particular second one, this one here, that has something like firewall. You understand? This second one here, this particular one you are seeing. So once you download it, for me, I've downloaded it before, but for your own, you are going to download it. Do you understand? So once you are done with that, now I'll be walking you through on how to write your image prompt in case if you are new in this channel. You understand? So the first thing you have to do in terms of your image is to have Gemini AI, or you make use of ChatGPT. But for the sake of this class, I'll be walking you through Gemini AI. Now let me say I want to generate images of footballers. You understand? So I'm going to ask Gemini to give me ideas of footballers, like the images. You understand? For your own case, you might follow your prompts like your video prompts. You understand? Gemini has given me thousands of it. You understand? So I'm going to copy just one and show you how to generate it using that AI Greem. All right, once I copy it, I will open that AI Greem. Now when I open it, there are thousands of things you can use this app to do, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be walking you through only the image site. Now if you want the video site on how to use the app totally, just comment video after you watch this particular tutorial. Comment video and I'm going to drop how you can use it to generate videos and other things that you can use this app to do. You understand? So you don't need to sign up using your Gmail account if you are making use of the app. So they are going to give you 100 credits in a day. Now to generate your image, you are going to tap on this image button beside this your profile icon. So when you tap on it, it's going to bring you to image. Let me say you want to generate an image to make your images consistent. If you are working, let me say you're creating faceless video, you understand, to make it consistent, you can upload your first image, now describe the second one you want to generate. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are generating direct text to image. So you are going to tap on direct text to image. Now they are going to charge you 15 credits for each generation, but to reduce these 15 credits, you are going to tap on this Green AI 2.0. When you tap on it, you are going to choose Z image turbo. So the credits will now be 10 credits and it's going to give you aspect ratios to choose. Do you understand now? So once you are done with this, you will paste your prompt. Let me see. So you choose your aspect ratio. I'll be making use of, all right, let me just leave it there. Then you will hit on generate. Automatically it's going to start generating. Do you see it now? So it's going to start generation. Let me just download it. To download, you will tap on this 3 dot line at the top right corner, then you will tap on download. Automatically it has downloaded successful. Now let's go and check it. This is it. Do you see it now? So it depends on the type of image you want to generate. For me, I just need cartoon image, and I believe this site will help you to get unlimited image generation. Comment video if you need the video walkthrough of the site. catch you up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this to those that need this tutorial.